What's up guys, Casey back with another video, and today we're gonna do another sneaker unboxing. I've just been buying like a bunch of sneakers lately. I think I have another pair coming in. I can't remember, other than the Jordan ones and these that I just got. I can't remember if I ordered any others. If I did anyway, I'm gonna make a video on it. But we got it right here, of course. We gotta block the name out and the address, have you guys knowing where I live. But, you know, I had to cop this pair on resale. I missed out retail, unfortunately, and I kind of forgot about them when they released. So yeah, that's why I missed out. But I did buy these off an app named Collect. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it. I had recently just heard about it. This is not sponsored, by the way, or anything like that. I just want to talk about them for a little bit. I recently found out about them from somebody that I follow on Instagram. Buys a bunch of shoes from these people and stuff. It's kind of like StockX, but they're in the EU or the United Kingdom, whatever. I hope I said it right, or hope I'm not getting it confused or anything. But either way, anyway, yeah, I just got these off Collect. If I would have ordered them on StockX, I think I would have paid a little bit more, but I went with these just because I did save a little bit of money, and they're just like StockX. Somebody puts them up for sale, they sent it to get authenticated by Collect, and then they send it to me after it is authenticated, and if it's not, it'll get sent back. You know, like I said, not sponsored, just want to give them a little shout out. But let's get straight into this shoe. I keep shaking the fucking box like I'm not. Like, this is even for me, this is for resale. I keep buying shoes to resell, but the only Jordan like hype ass shoe that I have, and it's not even hype, this show is like literally low key, like it's up there, it's the freaking, let me grab it. It's the Jordan lows, like Jordan 1 lows in the orange colorway. And I didn't even buy these myself. My little brother bought them for me. But yeah, I swear I don't buy like shoes for personal, which I need to start doing because I just need to get my sneaker collection up. But yeah, let's get straight into this unboxing because I'm really excited to see these shoes in person. If you probably already know by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we have I can't even frick. I loved the color of these shoes right here. Let's go straight into it. Let me put this knife down before I cut myself or something. Ugh, my nose. That, whatever it is. Let's flip it. Let's see, the box is gone. Oof. This is the first time I've ever ordered from these people. So yeah, look, Collect. Hold on, let me see if it'll. Collect right there, authenticated sticker and wrapped up. Let's get this. Let's just rip it. Fuck it. We got that layer off. But you know, you just have this generic Nike box as usual, per usual. But ooh, this little Collect. Hold on. Let me fix my ISO real quick. Let me make it a little bit. Ooh, that thing is fire, bro. I might have that framed up for a little bit. Let's put that to the side. Damn, what they do to these. Boy, these look so much better in person. Oh, I'm so excited. What the hell? All right, boys and girls, ladies. Oh my God, this thing looks like an off-white tag. That's kind of dope. Yeah, safest way to blah blah blah, all this crap. But guys, what? This thing looks absolutely insane. It looks super small too. It's like a size 8.5. If it was a 9, I would probably put these on my feet, but I can't. Ow! I keep getting hit by things on shoes, man. But yo, these look insane. I hope this camera better do it justice because that is wicked. Oh my God, this is beautiful. But all right, let's get straight to this review. As you can see right here, we have these Nike Dunk Lows, the Plum colorway. These are absolutely freaking immaculate. Like this, you have like 3 different types of purple right here. You have like this darkish outlining right there, all over right here, as you can see. Then you have this light purple on the little panels, like the little front, the sides as well, and the tongue. And then you have like this darker color, this darker purple right there on the Nike sign on the back of the heel. And then you have red on the swoosh, red on the swoosh, red laces, and a red bottom right there. The red bottom is kind of more like a burgundy colorway, but all this stuff is more of a red. But dude, this thing, look, this is a clean pair. I honestly might have to cover personal because boy, these are fire. Oh my god, do these come with other laces? Oh, they don't. Oh dude, they threw in crepe wipes in there too. These people are amazing. What the fuck? These are my first Dunk Lows ever. I've never even, I don't think I've seen them in person either. But yeah, I just really recently started getting more and more into sneakers. I'm more into streetwear, like clothing stuff, but I do need to up my sneaker game to match my clothing. That's why I've been buying some shoes to invest in and resell them so I can get personals for me. But anyway, they did have, this is the first retro that they did, or second one. The other one was a high, but this one they retroed it back to a low. The other one I think was a Japan exclusive, and it came in a pack, if my information is correct. When these like came out, when you saw the list of what shoes were gonna drop in 2020, I did like these a lot, just because of the color. I did start liking purple more recently this year. I don't have any other purple clothing other than the shoe I have right here, but I do tend on buying some just because the color purple is just a beautiful color. And you know, purple is for royalty, so you know, we're all kings out here, and queens, whatever you want to be. But yeah, these are absolutely immaculate, beautiful. I cannot say any more about this shoe. Like, all this suede perfectly put together. This shoe was a perfect shoe to put together. And the colors are just perfect. Like this dark and light purple put together with this red. It just makes a red stand out even more. It's absolutely crazy. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to cop a personal because I didn't think I was gonna love this shoe so much in person. The pictures already won me over, but in person, these look absolutely crazy. These are 8.5, so these aren't gonna fit my feet. I'm a 9. These gonna fit way too tight. So whoever's 8.5, I'm gonna have these up for sale in a couple months to a year, something like that, just to make some money and keep making more videos for you guys. Yeah, that's gonna be kind of it for today. Just wanted to do a little review in hand because I do have to go somewhere right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And look at this shoe. I'm just gonna have like so much B-roll of this thing. It looks crazy. Like, what? Let me put that down before I like bust it or something. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment down below if you did acquire these on retail or you took an L like we all do per usual. And if you aren't already, subscribe to catch new videos every week. I'm gonna try to get back every week on the schedule of every week because I have been slacking with videos for like about a month now. I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.